This is Larry Bonerato from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute, the 6 essentials of project success. Projects come in all shapes and sizes, from planning a conference, launching a new product, or improving team performance. Whatever the project, following these 6 steps will determine your level of success. Step number 1, your goal. Clearly define how you will measure success. Your goal must be written down and shared with your team. Very specific and numerically measurable. Assign to an accountable project leader. Realistic considering current conditions and time bound with a clear deadline. Step 2. Anticipate. Think ahead. Assess your team's strengths and weaknesses and those of your competitors. Consider market conditions, timing, and resources. What must be in place to create conditions favorable for success? Step 3. Your plan. Use the 4 P's. People. Do you have the right number of people with the right skills? Process. What systems will deliver the best results? Product. Do you have what you need and in the right quantities? And promotion. How will you reach and persuade your audience? Step 4. Execute. Now's the time to take action. Support your team, follow the plan, and track your progress. Execution builds momentum. Don't let the planning phase become a substitute for massive action. Step 5, adjust. Be flexible. The unexpected will happen, whether from a competitor or the market. Revisit your goal and pivot as needed without losing sight of the finish line. And step 6, review. Use an after-action report to evaluate what went well, what didn't, and what you'll do differently next time. This step turns today's sight and today's work into tomorrow's wisdom. No matter the size or scope of your project, these 6 steps will keep you and your team focused, accountable, and on track for massive success. And now for today's Morning Minute Challenge. Review your most recent project using these 6 steps. What worked? What would you change? And drop me a line. I'd be happy to offer my insights. The 6 essentials of project success. And that is today's Morning Minute.